Hey everyone, in this video you're going to learn how to use bracket orders on BlackArrow to send your entry orders paired automatically with your stop loss and take profit. Let's go! So, a bracket order breaks a trade into three pieces. The entry order, the stop loss to cap your risk, and the take profit as your profit target. Once one of the exit orders gets filled, the other one gets cancelled automatically, okay? So that's a classic OCO logic where one cancels the other. This setup is key for locking in your risk to reward before you even enter the trade. So it's very interesting, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. Here's an important technical heads up. On the BlackArrow 1 version, orders don't come with stop loss and take profit natively linked. Bracket order functionality is built in starting with BlackArrow Plus, Pro, and Ultra as we're using right now. Or you can unlock it, whatever, if you have BlackArrow 1, with the Ultra upgrade. So you can activate the Ultra upgrade add-on and have the bracket order. Double check which version you're running so you don't run into any issues, okay? On the supported versions, setting it up couldn't be simpler. So open the trade menu up here and then go to trading strategies and then click on trading bracket. Click here the plus icon to create a new rule. Let's give it a name, for example, BlackArrow is already given, so we can create a BlackArrow 2 and then press OK. Here you go. We have BlackArrow 2, so we can set our parameters like gain and stop loss. So for example, we can use like ticks, cash, or percentage. Let's use ticks for this example right here. So we can set our gain and stop loss. Here we have 100% of our position to 2000 ticks and 3000 stop loss. But we can go like with 50% and 50%. So we can create for a 300 here, and the next take profit can be on 4,000. Yeah, that's it. And then you press OK. That's it. Now we have our bracket order strategy with BlackArrow 2. Okay, now let's put into action. In chart trading, click the bracket field right here and then select the rule we just created, BlackArrow 2. From this point on, any order you send, market or limit, will already come with that protection baked in. So we have the quantity field here that we can adjust. So set the number of contracts you want to trade. Let's, for example, set 2 contracts. Click buy at market if we want to open a long position, and sell at market if we want to open a short position. Let's open a buy position, just for example. The moment we click here, our order will fill instantly, as you can see, at the current market price. So we can see the bracket order right here, okay? Let's adjust here so you can see it perfectly. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, yeah. So here we have our bracket strategy. So if we want to tweak our stop loss and take profit, we can just left click on the order line, as you can see right here, and then drag it whatever we wanted. So if we want to set a sell stop a little bit smaller, we can just drag it up here. And if we want to drag, for example, our take profit, we can as well. Just click the order and then we drag whatever we want to. And the bracket order will continue to function. If one order gets filled, the other one will be automatically cancelled. So, if this tutorial helped you get a clear, straightforward handle on how to use bracket orders on BlackArrow, how does it work, go ahead and drop a thumbs up on this video. While you're at it, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification button so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, let me know in the comments any topic you want to see next here on the BlackArrow channel. See you in the next video.